say ya ebeye den na abusia he would have John Dariga Dramani Mahama is under pressure, very very serious pressure na ho kire no oman no buo na afono no ena abusia ye da sori ya enkrofo we see they are going strike esere na asie omo ye adwuma ewo Ghana railway lines say omo ko strike adenti omo ko strike aye kire say for the past 12 months no they have not received their salaries but you tell me yepa John Mahama 9 months no betra akonya so no watumi akata nani atena se ama workers a omo wo ma ewo yerenom han dan eto aduane di mimi a Wilson Kofi mo akwaba watumi agya won 9 months omo payment ontua wonka adentia oye hwan big push temiyepa. How can you keep workers our more responsibilities at home for good 12 months without not paying them? Oyare John Dariga woso na osema ye nka wasem na se wo ma manfo tete amanfo se ya ebeye den na ye nka wasem ebeye den na yure afiriw ebeye den na ye mo wachie ebeye den na ye spit the truth into your face say you are an incompetent president. We workers we papa iso ntuo moka enso no papa no wosika 4.4 million na odi akoma abochifo omodi nya sika omodi disika we enso railway workers union for yem tuo moka yem tuo moka tom Mahama so oni sika be tuo moka omo onfa omo ho Jubilee House for NDC executives nkwa ena ye nipa sabio Mahama ba akonya so otua wonka na we mi bisa wo se enipa we nom ba o mi so mo wo ire ne ma kwan benso ena ombefa so a ombehwe omoyire ene omoma ombetua nsuo ka ombetua land beka ombeton taade ama omoma ne omoyire nom kwan benso no mbefidi omoma ne omabusua amana yeye papa and you call yourself a president. Udi di onim ene nkwasi asem say yes a Tik Toker has been sentenced to 7 months for threats against the president Mahama, government and government officials. Oh, yes a guy we a TikTok and our asem. Mahama don't care about salary se onye ntuaye omfane hokora Mahama emfa ho se na me no kasai patro buokosoro ama trade union for asori agina wo manum say they are going to increase the lorry fares also omfa hokora adagea papa no wonu nyina no it is direct say odebeye den ebe hante TikTokers, YouTubers, Facebookers with IP address. And they are called a friend, Kwame Nkrumah II. And ne. You're jailing to 7 months. Nancy Biwahu. Kwajo upon Nkrumah Kasim, he said, Mahama is planning something very, very, very dangerous to Ghanaians. And he said, the oil say he wants to capture the security, which is, the police, the armed forces. He wants to capture the judiciary. The government is him and the parliament. Oh, yeah, or no. This is what we are saying. What kind of threat na kwa we de bema wa? Ebema president mua abohu. Na watumi asoma nkrofo se yenkone nkonko che no. John Mahama, what were him gwase? Wa hu anim gwase. Papa panyina wotumi trans sponsor Jimmy for ne nkwasiafo. Mama ba Kevin Taylor, Dr. Ren, or Hannibal David. Jimmy now didn't kwasiasa Brad what Jimmy to the point to say you knew be a watem. What Jimmy to the point to say, oh, yeah, dear, now so sound who are there. I will go Germany. You were sponsoring these people to insult Nanado. And then, see, we ababa, we that dear Ketua be the channel big ganano. Who soon so what threat to NTM fanning cotum 7 months. Uskani Makoba Yepa. John Mahama has now turned to be a Tik Toker policeman, a social media policeman. Adentia, wama manfo di nanando atem na aba bedia konwa. Enti ono no mpese ye bedi na tem. Papa wo de Ghana for mo mote Ghana no. Ye mu binom ye de ho be bom for very long time. We will stay abroad for very long time. Say be betumi can be achiro. So see ba Ghana no be che ye ma. Ye ma wabam belum. Wama mu okura anya ye fe enti ye mpe Ghana na abadada na wasan so de threat abase wa obeka de wo mpo beche no na me kasa ma de mahu se de me kan ya na se de ye ma o ye betra ne abahye wan kopem se betu afira konwam ye be na trust wa say we are here to work on you say ne TikTokers intimi nkasa biem YouTubers intimi nkasa sir. Ma, any will be pa. Because what is coming is heavier than what you think. Kwanya ofa so ultimate sponsor a Jimmy for more mudidi na nado atem no. We will make sure say we will pay you back. We will pay you back. We will do me. Now let me say me. I will do more than what you did to Nanado. Nyanto was here. See I said though. Ye mo make promises na gum. And the promise na sha se na e failure ni agina no so de aka ya adwene kama de akyerew. So akwache TikTok adenti wa threat presidency. Wo a wona ma cast be say aduasa na di wachi emu policefo ne hwan ne hwan. Are we living in a military rule? Yanto ba na di you. Enye kokromete na di you. Criminal libel on ye nyimfiri ho nanso enama dwemone a oba beye na on person nipa be kan ho asebunti no you now want to use another means to criminalize people for free speech. Now we for say na wa hwe wo de wa wonim go ase ene da ho na busia ye nwuram into the NDC camp na ye hwe de ekọ pupu we are stopping that nonsense in NDC. That nonsense, that particular nonsense, the party is in power, but there are different human beings that are in power. We don't want that. What do conversation is in power? Are we not human beings? Are we the resetting agenda. Where the resetting agenda? And you say, and this in a wa akunwam. Enti omonti asema nipa fufuro bi onye NDC ni enya adwuma no. Enti omo akotum. Ghana man yomo dia. Adenti Mahama promise so be mo na omo akoye adwuma wo ho. But omo hu ne sa. Enti the National Health Insurance Office no. Yatum. Woman organizer, youth organizer, onu na coach no say yentum na yempam obi bi oye adwuma wo. Because the judge in the car, you know. We are all Ghanaians, but we are not equal. And to say this under this government, you don't merit to work under the government what them constitutions. And yatum and ya pam nipa no ye adwuma ho because you say according to them onye this. Look at this nonsense. Look at this stupidity. Look at how John Mahama is a con man. And look at how the NDC is a foolish party. By year. me make katachi a moti oman mu a apart from se mo bedidi aban ho mo ni nyansa ne kwa mbefa so mo ankasa mo be kreti adwuma me ma katachi ebinum so mo akọ school jimi sa na yedete ho na nkwase ampafo di anim de ekono no yedre jimi sa na jimi fo ne nkwase afo na edi yen so de ekono no hwede edi ye entie na akora bi a open the national health insurance enam so china obekwa yaresabia no NDC for say men kan kire say you cannot go to the yaresabia because adentia omo aban na aba until you don't merit to have your national ID card renewed or re-registered. Entiatum reset no and ekono ento asure enko yanim. There are more things for you to watch. And if you are do, yanto wase pa. Na munti enkrofo we so.
The immediate and unconditional withdrawal of TOTUC's appointment as workers' representative on governing councils, given the blatant disregard for democratic principles and the rights of majority union. We call for the establishment of a clear, transparent, and democratic process for determining union representation in tertiary education institutions, ensuring that the voice of the majority is respected and reflected in governance structures. We will not compromise on our demands or back down in the face of adversity. In accordance with our union's constitution and the provisions of the Labour Act 2003, Act 651, and the powers vested in me, TOGH hereby declare an indefinite strike action effective today, Thursday, 3rd July 2025, until our demands are met. Has a long way to go, but I start to say.
And the air corona bushia and crofo is your moko strike, or montiasia, adentia, a biano, emfa one salary, the esse, nefata, emfa mawon. Now, me, I don't want to say much on this because more I'm ope. I'm one I'm ope. You can't tell them, say, papa na mudi na chia. Mose monte se dogo biye no nabe. Mose monte se dogo biye no nabe. Enti you are all going to support sa common way no. And then amasha ase amahu de eko. And then the abane say adwuma no be yo but akatua no ene ya asem no. Mami sisu biem ene de eko ne say adwuma no de ubeye o uye NDC ni ntie be kese o de tena ho na ye adwuma no. But ubeye adwuma na mfie mienu mfie miensa ye ntua woka sika no ye spend because ye suro se dollar no bo ebe ye den ebe kofom. Enam se ye pe enkwase abodini. Enam se ye pe sa manfo moya baso for nothing no. Die hia na efata wo se yemfa sika no ye no yemfa anye because ye di sika no ye die hia no de efata ye sika no na nimbegu ase e wo dollar nim enti sa na tie de a agimifo na makoto abade ma ye no ye mamo atremu asofa because edru se ba beto aba ye bepe 500 Ghana bi di abrew 200 Ghana bi ye de brawa wagimi a wo ya abo anti you will stay there. You will accept it and you will go and vote for us because you know ye NDC for okata omanso ye na ekata omanso yen na de yebeka ebem yen na ye sabio oman ne wura ye chi obi ani ho enti the tertiary institution workers no their treatment no must say good. And they are going on strike. Abusia, the daho ewo hono no. Now, let's move to the most serious thing. Adebi ekoswa. Ensenem fatam se Ghana maimun kaibeti sa same way. And esemu nyina mote se John Mahama ese auto patrum. Enti John Dalegadra mani ma say e free enra erikoi. Patro biano watum, diesel watum, LGP watum. Now we akofo controversial bar the Ghana Transporting Union during 2024 elections campaign. Now omoye the main voices of NDC campaign no omwatie gudwam adeda omoye enya adeketo ahwade.
Yenimi yentokako yenimi so man mpanimfo wom omampani a yakasa kire na otie ewom elintiri yade yenim tokako yene ne nko yene ne ham yebe kabom eye containers association and the transport unions e wo Ghana ha yebe kan wo abom na me nuka say ya park your cars ade tonfo nyina so close your shops and ye tu santene yade ensem nyina agu nkrata so yade abeda omampani so omampani yesrew omomodi amramu nonji station e maye enye saade a na chese ye ba be park wo kwan so driver for your back one so a post for chain at the top for so back one so a buyer for baby chain says Sabre yan day alien Sankoyano yelim say president or a listening president or baso babe reset Ghana one baso babe destroy Ghana one baso babe jim crofon we aduane afiri omonsam eliti ya catch omampeli his excellency John Dramani Mahama oyotie enipa oye ose ade oyo see a panicho ontie yesu no ye ebisa de man enye sa de Nana Ghana Chenkafo Ejadifo yefa ye ho adwen ni nipa ba ko odi na chi efre nu Moses na sa ka kire ya ne se da sebra se nyame na mi ko Moses na be ka yo ye wo proof wo ho aso da sebra se eduru ba bi no na Ghana railways wo mo nya sika ntua wo mo waka sika ntua no da sebra no ba obesia ana ode ya adan ode ma railways fo na ye di tua wo mo waka sika eno nti na wo mo di asase ne ma no na oka asem we Moses kan na me say eh ade anadwoma na asem ni we ayasam enti no ye di yasam hina ne say yasase ye che so ye ne obi ani asem enti da sebre onya den enough is enough ye hia no wa asase ne so.
I'm sure say if you look around when we say he had an already prepared program, the big push that he's attending to, that's why he couldn't be here. So I want to on his behalf apologize to you. And you made a statement that I so love. You said that you want to engage in dialogue and not.
Bon mami we Metro TV mami Bridget Otu Koshini Bapa Okotani TV so na okasa na ND MPP asem betoma kwanya no faso ka asem no sana presidential staff anti ena na oye de oye he pami we mo hwe na nimu ye we na nimu he ye na nimu he. Oh, yeah, camera nan capture na name. Your friend Bridget Otu, a hypocrite. Mami we on Metro TV. Mami we transna or bashi MPP amanyukua. You would think that this woman was a neutral. She wasn't. She was fighting for her position. Now let's talk about what is going on. The question say, but be a Ghana GPR2U4 almost station or more station no. And this ya banya town they are private person. So muntu on fa honi baby omonkotra. Now, yemfa we into chena yento aso I want to continue with you for this story. Dear Nancy, apart from say you two or more free hono, se mo be kaya akwa we. Nyanto wase. Se mo be kaya bra and this for the doom so levy by ye. MPP for minimum mambo be catch the Ghana for say. Sadie we no more ye very dangerous. Because mona mako masise sika kugu mama dollar no bo aba form ama patron bo aba form. Se mo ntimi maintain biem na dollar no bo kosoro automatically diesel be kosoro. Enti sa 1 cedi na amode ba no it will hang Ghanaians. Kwasi ampanyi no betina court obegina parliament asem o kan na odi etie
that irrespective of the 1 cedi we are not going to see an increase in the price of pump price at the petroleum sector. It is only an intelligent government that can do this. No, it's only a smart government only a government with acumen.
Yes. So what? I say, apart from that one city now, omo day, de kwakoto patrosu di levi no. Aban IFNM and this Yamanyoko, for one city mpo, fan to patrosu da. Bra, the air hay, increment kwa patro, diesel, LPG, PBR, yatum. Na omo two movie ya omo asanjo omo lorry fair na from omo lorry station na from onsam no. And na the Ghana Union Association paying for binom. Aba abonten say sa na tie dia, they are also going to increase the lorry fares by 30%. Tie. Me say Ghana for you have not seen that in years. Yentie.
Yes, I'm back to petrol. And this was see every time I say 15% pay, yes, I'm back. Then the Sally Kumi and the clock and said 6 months or 4 months near yet a lorry. I am from Yansa, TV article, and paying for national team on any vice. Yeah, I'm a second on the sewer. Now, one party, Lord Fairso, now I'm paying in a bit. One management, and I'm open many French Yakas who are double from the Miami, Medamas. I'm paying another year, the Abusokai, one more near Maso, Uchana Moko Daumas. Yet, Lord Fairso, not permanent. I was so careful from your margins over Betty Maso. They say, Brad, one man at your say, Dollar Nirazi, and one man say, I yet to chapel, entering now. First, Yati Lord Fairso, extra 1 city, 1 liter, I'm on mine. And then you got your PRC for say, one more better, Latis to so, one more better, about 200%. Yen Adabes, and yet 200%, and now 1%, and now 2%, and yet. And that Friday, every never Friday, one can tell some penny and yes, come on to a mattress. Because once in the day of Jamao, our energy minister and finance minister. And the Ghana for Yanya and actually say, you be pure electricity and the body. If said rubber, I am here, Papa, TPR to anything what I was so careful someone man want this with net anti now. Yeah, you 1 city. Yeah, you are at the Lord for some. Say a kind of PR is for Friday, 1 for another 15%. You bet down now for 30%. That 1% in the belly. I bet come your Lord first because scanning your try. I'm a name.
Then there's some electricity in you. Ama we are Kosura. No, them on the thing and here. At Friday, fair matching 30%. On go, I don't come to you read that time for you one kind of meeting. At Friday, we number the fair central region. The quiet 30%. Young can say, you're about 30 straight. There was a banning what to say. But another electricity not over to me. Yeah, now, but it's a long first. It's a better lolly family. I'm at the because you're talking about
And this is what is going on in the Bahamas era. Everybody is complaining. Hey, almost 30%. And now we are 10 Ghana and over 13 cities. Adentia, Mahama di kanji on 1 CDB. And then what to put through Masaya to electricity. Abra, the Minister for Energy, Etimiko Amarasha Etuna Numutu say there will not be any increment anywhere. They say Abanwe a certain government or a agenda setting government. They have nothing for Ghanaians. Now yanto asunyenko yanim. Nkanafo binom say omufie ensu etwifa ho. Is it Accra? Yes. Omusi ensu etwifa ho. Mahama promise you say omunkoto abama no na so oba obesolve sa problem no. Yentie. O de munya hu hio. De eba. Yentie.
Say nti sesi ye betu agu kura ye ntimi mfa ye hwe biom mimi a wo ha menimu ebia me kwasere ebi fie na me kwada ye wenu sesi a na omoba omo na ema na egu abonten no nsuo sensi umuna se ya eduano mpo wo ya wontimi ndibium kyese wonnim de ebeba ekire na wakoma sei na wo mba nyina na omusu ndra nkwada na nyina na omusu yennim bebia ye de omo befa
mainti esese ombe bridge no mpe gota entu nsuo no kwan se ne be ya nsuo no to ebenya bebia afa yempa yentade nse anopreka yi bebe yesisi bi
befe be ne hiamema no blatu mayi wa behe ne wa hin no nso kan aba wa pape ko ne eye hawo ape gota hawo ko ne ka hiamema no ne nyu ekosawi hawo ho ko na drablo hawo ko ne wa pe fli
yes o mu se o mu be ye road no mu ye gota amaye ne so no fam ako because road no mu ye no gota nim enya kura isoto enya kura enya asubi
koto asase so bisa se ekwan no efahi se na be o si dan wi a onu bi obefa de akọ fi se clients bebre ho a omukọ koto asase sa na omumbisa ana se kwan wi a enfe no e was mbebo mo ntimidi se ebedo nyimre de omefrem.
We had a contractor who is coming to construct the Dodo Afenya Road.
Etabusia de wo hono no. Promise and fail na bi na ekoso no. Papa ne promise o so obeye ho ama wonti omonkoye den. Omonko no omonko to aba ma no na oba obeye ho yie pa na amanfo so gidi ye. Enti ene the outcome ne say ubesua sua. Ubesuma wanisu nsu asa. Now there is something that's going on. Abusia enye izo. Me say pressure no pressure was system no pressure no we Mahama na momenti we nso abusia sa
something years.
100 years.
Water doesn't flow. And this our road too is not good. The road is not good. And this our boundary issues too is a problem. Always Newton people are fighting against we. Prampa people are fighting against we. But meanwhile the land is for we. So we are demonstrating because of those things. That's why we are demonstrating. And they are taken granted. The president are taken granted. They don't care for Pong. They don't mind Pong. They don't know Pong. I don't wonder if they know Pong. Because I can see that Pong was covered. Pong was covered. So today we decided to take the cover off so that everybody will see what is in Pong.
It will not be an agenda ne promises a man for promising Crofu way. Omon and take on 9 so to say ya ba ye be car kwine ye be way miya ninyina ayentro. Ninyina ayentro na Ghana for Mahama ntro no ono no di ntro mfere o. John that gather money Mahama now say or the idea be by your friend the big push. Ghana for a to. Me papa no ye big push no ye ni ye me do. But sa kwa we. Unim na wusu unim no. Or ye ntro phone contomponi pa. Mukai Hope City. Or se be ma Africa for nkwa 20 million Africans no benya juma ye Hope City. 2013 okokate short. And then what 2025 minimba bia Hope City no akwakusi. And then akoya samba say every region is going to benefit from its share of the big push program. And then this is for a budget so. Now say a policy Emma Ghana for Ghana Nibia Enyam Faso Fidiswa Eyeweya Papa we ewe munchiremu edemayenti
attention was on that day because people yen agenda 111 was a big push. Yen agenda 111 it was a big push. Also on my biano say o pese we inject economy no a o fa dwumedie kese bi e de siwe de so na wa ye masa dwumedie no eti me bie on my no.
So was it successful enough? Obeka say mo ye ya edrecha na se bia mo wo even e bia man complete na mo hwe ni mo senka ban bai nko ma me ye na nka nkonko yes won to aso nyene nko yes bia ono e bethe ono ane dia na so create
e ye failure ene ntimi kan ngwase but e failure ene senior aban ti so mo opposition o mo ka je na wanwan ho asem nti e do mo ntimi nya o mani mfa ngwahwe ye no nene communities are ye agenda 111 wo ho a mo nyina ni da so se ene bebe mo fa car e de ko hospital no e so ba beti a dodo na do 75-80% e bi kwa o be 90% kakra bi ne de be wie no o mo twen mo in 2028 elections o mo twen mo because it was a big push. Every district in Ghana benefited from that project, but they were local contractors. Local contractors, and it was part of it.
But what's the project before we projections? We say Hase the Befa bia ne kesi city maybe who is one way air contractors.
I am telling you, Ghana contractor for Ghana contractor for I was here more ahmodi ye show me. So few foreign contractors na man penny say ye hu omo a omo ba be yes a big push akwan money ade no omo ne hwan no mo local contractors need to be man be ye kwan bi and local contractor maminka say me show minimum contractor from yenu omo na ye adwuma wo bia bi omo na nya contract ba ko adwuma e fe pa makoniska ni a oniska ne say aban bi ba ya when your contract ba kupo it over the period no what na sia mo anya adwuma ba kumpo ni nya contract ba ku odim se ne tue ha it aban bi a onya bi it is aban ne ba onya adwuma it owa hoden aban bi ba ya o nya adwuma nya adwuma no na ba ko na adwuma ye fe no ontimi nya adwuma ni bi abentia and the past administration menka your past administration where nya adwuma ni bi it is a contractor for no ye betemi a capacity omo na ya hwemu na adenya ye dey me say open big push na said aban sika was so about spending with roads and ye comparable to the yen ye spend ye ewo agenda 111 sika aban say or dey ba big push roads ade we na afi saying if you say mampani eka say World Bank reports say you can't road deficit the bia akwan any hold money abia ya kechi by 1.5 billion into no all power by 2020 no or the shemu say oba obetwa by $2 billion afi bia na de aye e kan say akwan yanto amano na 2024 kwa mfaso wini di omo na muni no mfaso wini
no abo
ana ma be wini
enya abana Ghana for to ma omo wini ye so ga se kwa mfaso wini ye
ana bosomi
kwa mfufuru bi ho
ana bosomi nkono uso bi se ba se na ko fa se na me yi anu na boso o ka o de enya bosomi nkono na afa amanfo erahui bosomi nkono na amanfo ni omo mo erahui
omo na be ka kire o
wonte ye wonya Ghana ni
Pachode for us fesima me Ghana ni akametea
Ghana ni enti what say boss wo mo betwe sike bi so there abai bi aba wo pekwan bi accelerate development yen ye ba abai mu ye de ade bi say na ofie ka no ye de IPEP buy IPEP dwumedi ombedi ye no sabe na nye sada anye sonko bia from asoya hodo ne dwuma omudie but ne so ye kakra ne say na development ne speeding up kakra na ya identify areas here na ya decide development na content than the normal bureaucracy
genuine development ni bi ne de any chip compound mo ye
oh I pep ye nyama bebre.
Mahama is lying to Ghanaians, telling Ghanaians to say every region is going to benefit from the big push. Ayen chanto ye can't manaya with the obwa. What you missing to was an amount within a short time. Sir, well, papa by ye shortcut ya hodo akwa ya ye. Tell me one thing that he has done. On your way or shortcut and then kwasia shortcut and then rename the nyansa nim kwa no ye. Enti my entraman and that diana agenda wine a big push, big wine push. Me don't be see her. Me don't be see her na man be full line na tum. Abusiamfo. Ye fra mo menye ntem. I have something to do somewhere. Enti me be full line na tum. Enti so to me frɛ na wanso aba ba kyerɛ wadwen. Efa nsema ye de bra we ho. De wodwene fa ho. How do you see things? The American the oil agent say man can ye. The oil no person for being can home. The oil agent say mekan say yanka beto assume ye. Ni nyina no. You are ready. You have the chance also to call and tell your mind. And there be for last not them. Now before no there my more video when I some obi a one TV video we be an over TV. Now they be a two go to dream. I can Japan contractor ninkwanya ye. Mami ama efre. Mami ama. Hello.
Hello.
Mami to say.
Samo.
Yeah, is a man.
Yeah, mpacho michio biara.
Atie for jo so pa.
Enda de kwesi prat wa akasa. Nsama wa aka no da hotro do. Ansha da achi ye beji sikechi. Na wafo obi onse na onfata we diga na man nanyim ameya international community mu bibia engwa saba o sanda ne da mechire me de agwatofia wofo obi nyimdinyi na obiala wo fi ho na wofa na mo ba fa wo na wa hwa wonye wo kasai ugina bio even ato wo dress no po wo hwa ho na wo de bibi wo de mo nto no ya da papa kwesi asi and not to be petrol was for root. Some have a one to me. So in our yard, nanado. Now, what can do for one or no crowbon, oba or kamubi. Into 1 year come na once now. Lord fair was about to my impa. So what to get a petrol no into was what to man as a beer rainbow. 1 hour's work promise one there was a wolf here soon over yam on one sabotal. Obayamon mo akumato woni yem traders no so worusu traders worusu there asasa water don warage so won na wa ye dokon ne boye banchi ne boye ko ne boye onu mpo na mo mba wo school fees wo tua amamo da min bi ya wo rubo school meriko tua wo ban school fees na we to baby ati ibre adwuma na rekaye na ja akwhwa wo ba otwe obebre na obombofo no so obebre pump nkwafo so wo so worusu ko wo su kra yenyi wonyi nala mo hwehwe na wenya nta wo me su aso ande wonu nsu ntwen ope na mbe no so also obeye bibi a wo frɛ ne pushi e bia pushi na obebo won adwuma
pushi akọ
ma wa ye ma yeye na mala ma send video bi onyi pakote agidame adwuma dere ye na ye wi a twa won aka de contract no wan cha ma obi e for electricity contract nkote na boy no wa trans no wa compile nti bi di there the CMB Cocoa board also did not the baba become.
Yes, your yeah, kura kwaji education kura de ka ho.
Yo, na sene nyina la jay. Na wi a na be gina wan ka de contract no wache mo obi are mo obi e bianka grassroots fu wo be ye adwuma da. E na mo mboda wu ma grassroots fu no want de adwuma na nkote oji ni. Me ye no obi just say there na nkote na owo party no ma maka be sure there wa je contract. sɛ nipa koro na nko agye dam contract nsɛ MPs ahowa na wɔwɔ so obi agye nkakrakra kɔ ne fie na ɔka yɛ yankyɔre yeye wa register companies without with multiple names.
Yes, ne nyina
or the different na ɔda register na nko agye ne nyina wa yɛ wie na wagye awie no gyina honorable party fo mpanyimfo no sombo sɛsi ara de no kwa na adezi nti ya hwɛ da pen mo obesi oreski madase papa then da mo tete da me
me raski yeah
madase
bye
bye owura bia me ya na eski
madase ma be ja me ka ho madase contribution bye me ma me Jennifer edu me akwa papa e na me ma me da na wasere sa ma me da na akwa ne ya zon is or just or yes shortcut sa gbogorogo onye hwe shortcut
onti mi end di ngu grassroots for na bodisem na wa channel ho appoint accusing fingers on the very people now omo hwe grassroots for no omo ma grassroots for na adwuma grassroots for no were in need and omo come home we will not allow it we will expose him and me ba be go through contact no where you just contact
Mami stay
mesama na ye obi frɛ
da bi obi amfrɛ
me busa wo na me na ya na wo pi me kutia na na
se o kwamba nso se me say
ya mo kata kitom me so nim fa me nya short lady me ye tietia but me voice nya short e long anti ama ba e no obeka ne de tietia ono ompane ho asam no okọ me so de me pentokwa meko
obeko ene odi ekona ye nkwe odi eko
me tia busuafo nyina
abusuafo je so
me samafo
maame
Ghana enka wo manu ntom me tia watiefo nyina
atiefo nyina je so ye pa
Ghana should keep quiet there mo fra Ghana say a Christian country Christian country mo kuta the most strong spirit mo to me trauma nkrofo wedi no and the propaganda e deceive mo won dia course wo national television so wo mo sacrifice wo mo ma mo won ye na omo fe se me boat family tia na no omo ye me ana
David
hey Ghana da ben na mo be nyansa mo be mo sha ya titi aye ni bumu sa aye ya kan sa niema bi aye de ko ball aso
dokunu bi
yankopon Captain Smart aye nanim sa aweabo jabidie wa mu nyina tumi tena ho me question say Mahama hu say Ghana mu kuta short memory wakatremo. That man does not respect any citizens of Ghanaians. Ombumo Ghana John Daraga Foster, a con man to Mahama. Ombumo, respecting the not even the Asante, the kings in Ghana, of Ethiopia.
Oh no, come when man I want to say your door more.
Yes. I think I'm saying or your concert or your command or your foster. Wait, when about to me Ajana 1, Ajana 2, Ajana Biwani, not Adianoko. Or their son is sure cancano.
Crofasa
Hindu. What to me at Tenaho? I'm my papa way. Na obia na do ba jaba na do be show public me kaisa sem wo mi rem fit da often sika ba na me di be gu o man sika ban Mahama wia eja empty wo nu akasa kwa to be gina public ka say ya win nam no ama na ye den aka dompe what were Ghanaians thinking na mukasa na nado COVID obia yadia me yadwuma hospital me containers anesisi ya back door baby ambulance wa ya packing nipa agum awo mawuo because na a rose garden ho na ye ma eti no munya baby kura mfa bi mu eti ene na mukwafa saa refrigerator drop fridge no and omu dia besis ya tro no omu pack ebi gumu omu tane back door hot say rose garden so
Awurade Nyankopɔn.
adan ya ni ye kikamu ni ye kikamu say muntu ma doctor Mamudu ba o miamra me this time there me my who say de nyame be ye bia no eye
Yeah.
it will make sense this time na bia Ghana for ombehu nyansa na samusa repeat sa de o mu repeat o ya papa ko formula so woni musa me samafo
Yeah, me kai pa 2008.
and must repeat me say a toss third one now Nankopon be yi mo ama say complete because adwene a onipa de dwene no muni bi na mo fi say Mahama de no obeye okronfo ti say Mahama a froster like Mahama 419 awurade obi a waye entuhwem passport de ono awurade Ghana for
nim guase ekura ma yen
sa mete ho a na obi ka say ne ye nim say no be ya na me gina me so you are a very stupid person, you are a very idiot me baby okogina ya waka say monto aba ma me ba necessary na na ado apaki mu nyina me di mobile den
we gonna come and we're gonna make the
restore all of this. And one na me who say yeah me kuro mu fo ya omo kra dia mama I see a dun katia begina public ka say free education obegunu anything free no enye papa na wo your bad time wo pese wo ja that chedema wo ba sika na wo na do no de show na e o ma ni sika o osi woni ne dom omo de omo ama mawia omo wia kwa mo de me asam na me kon menche ma no si boni wa wutie me no se wo na mo kan because enchana NDC de no mo accuse MPP for it is a one judge na MPP for this sika as NDC said that na do so no de hwem kwa nti na no mo se ohia ba o man mu na me boa
of course
at least as a sensible person, as a wisdom person, they will say, na some people almost omu wie sika ya omu di ne yansu ye di because what they make go school ana me boa
obebere kwa
na nado ansu ani sika bia odisi ebisi hwe police fo fie hwe soldier fo fie hwe o ma obia aso ne de kakra eno ne ye friend say a leader but enam say mu de mo ya so mu kwada ya hunu askan kagu madwenu mo sori ani ya hunu dokono amamo mu bi mo enchenam etintimina and o sajina hoka say ebi mu susu fufuo
oh
ani fitiri dechi come on Ghanaians na me mbejira o me bedi watama ububefu ana Mahama ayew kasiese misamafo what do watam kasiese
face to face pa wani mi chabo
way hausa ni besese gadunchi ganama toza finie enkurumanie what do watam akache osa wo wadwene na kuta wo na mu ha na me bedi watam face to face ade na abaye me Ghana for Mahama say ye ka any single respecter
Oni be my
none
oni be my
mamo or the more yet to say a brika Mahama san or the my and watching akwaya na nima dufu said you be dinijina ayi buko mbanku arena abono na nima funya said ayi samatas no say ayi wan edina buko mbanku adufu no etimono ono no sikano opesikano obi a watumi wotiso he papa be ye fantini obetena me maame ho mo twa abe sa ne enum so na date ye be fa na kodi ohene ye fra no fa amani wo say ofra me maame wo se mansa edimpa eye sene ahonya It will no boss. Always, never say that until the bloody fucking boats are writing. Good name is better than riches. Ghana for me papa ko si plat and me mami amaka no. E ho no waka but me support to sa papa ni da. Because omo nyina get involved. They are the suffering of this Ghana.
Yeah.
Mami ama meta wo so ho na nso we dia mitumi de me de be ka ho. Sa panifo we nyina no mo na ma Ghana for nkola e sofa nani ne yo. They're full of evil. Yeah. They're full of toxic. And you want to better now can say, see if I say NDC we near bar, the top guy MPP for my junior momre. And you want to better. I
am not a kind.
Say, ma, when money nano, would your money in kakra, when you mono, and I'm a net in Chimebre, because woman at the politics not cheap. Right from Kumamre, so I'm a
when you are some historical politician.
Papa ni bonnet, and ne Ghana ye bita Ghana ko backwards in Nano. Sa papa we walk home. I could see prat or kahun. It's a meme dia me will be baby no kasa. And I would deny a historic diabe. I pray to me bono bakokra. I saw panini, what na fear. Na wo pesa wo dwini nchima nya wo ye wo de oba ba wiase o msamafo nya wo ba no ko ade de ba wiase na ye oba o
dabi all the generation also wo yama also wo yiri yama na ye wo oba but the moment akwa ne ba wiase na ye obi aba adentina motumi atana ho ahwe right from nkoma mreso Rollins mreso papa plat munyina mo hwe ho ehwe de evil do against Ghanaians. You guys were watching it. Without fighting for future generation. Mu bejira no ma ya musi bebregu manum na mu betwa ya mpia mu beka fun e dia kire nipa. Papa we yam papa mi po but semi forward ideology no right from time am ti udina. There's nothing wisdom about it. They are all shit. Because more and a mama in Chima air sofa. Na ye ba ye papa na nado, but be a man for antinasino. That restructure no omoya no any IMF no ka say munchema because baby o ka say na wuntia se omunyina yi na nado de maaye. Hono Ghana for antenna na do ase but me de metenase because satam no na IMF exchange meboa yes
na ayi kanofoliata do di mutintima pa ono akra be ka sa montwan ye wi a me free wa akọ
yeah
so what you say so the question is say at the country omu sabotage na nado no mu sabotage ba wo miano was hate
yes.
Na we MP Penini. Have you ever thought in your deep thinker in that scorn of yours to say you need a future for Ghanaian? We MP, we be and I put it to Bawumia MP Sinina say all of you should put Ghana first. I swear to God. So when akuma panisa Ghana na mudini back to first. Me say the heaven door will open for all of you. That's what dear would the Bawumiachi. Just say yes, Sikasamu Dina Wubadia. And you may catch row, cratching. What you didn't
pack on near
because he can't be open now. But a number didn't be a talent one would be no. This may say because you moving this time of dear. You confront to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, not by face, but by the message I send your man to say. I was so much grassroots to follow some contract where Papa was solid in the association just for a president here, you know. 10. Some contract where we read you what dear Sunina. Ye chama and Kolana and Kenya Bebre.
Kwa
Grassroots to follow.
Kopia didi.
minimum say yes. Grassroots for no. Obia benya ne so ne de kakra obetumi aka say me metumi aye sa adwuma we ntimo ma me say ya meye. Empanifo no so mumfu mani nto na mumu say waye adwuma ne kama. Hwe mumma yenya akoma pama Ghana wo. There's a we a politician, we a MP, whatever position you hold in Ghana. That's one for Ghana and two first year. And I that's what you Ghana no. Ghana na do moving forward no. The excellence of Nanado Dankwa move Ghana no one MPP aban na mutia ho. Emma the evil saboteurs no.
Yes.
I sabotage papa no ema ene mo so mo call reverse. Anana mo kase ye yete an ye stupid ne ye ka kire mo no. Ye sole me drive wo me sole 5 o'clock and the chase bus.
Wow.
Me drive wo. Eti mi pasa mi busa say wo ka say wo wonim dia sene me ana wo nyansa sene me. In which way? Just because man go school now, we go be nana. And answer would the check able to wutina who graduating me a bit mutu meeting to minimum answer home. Me busamo. Any money and a Mahama or to chimono. Na Mahama de say, I swear to me papa, Sabita flat to work through Musay. Mahama. You will go on the history of Guinness record.
As the worst president.
We are the most worst president and the most mongo president of Ghana have. Whoa, say so you didn't to be a cry and ye. It me a sure person that you know. Say you record Guinness World Recorder. Who you do dear ever call to bring go them. And now sublimity film because we not president. You bet to me I acknowledge you say we a leader. We are froster. Na wo madie misu omo brebre men kase omo wu omo famenko. Obi a wodi wodi nipa ba wiase. Na wonni ahumobro e di ma manfo ma. Hwe dia galamso aye as old as you is. Utumi gina ho kase say ndu state yanya ye tu ye gold ni yafa ndu state e wo se declare emergency. But wo gina ho kache wunia Nana do down say on declare state of emergency.
By force.
Someone who has stupid you are. And one who say, who are juna ye di boom mine, and this said ye juni timemu for one wouldn't be. Na me ba business for one so almost the almost come almost on your day.
Almost so more Joe. Almost better.
What would you call him? Musoria boni Ghana for bonia do kromo and mim person mim kumunya just would the be up person would now office now who can't scan on the rubber band na the yada now would the bomb. But when me ba mo na so ebe ka say me ba me be tax net business for me support me say am me say me pesa me de Ghana eye se Togo die na obia container 6 feet si ye ni 20 cedis wo Togo a mu be ni 20 cedis sa mu nyina mo sori na pa na mokɔ na mokɔkɔdi ye onkoto alu prate bu famla na Watin trouble we allegedly or say you the master free just because none to be dead in we the master free allegedly.
I know the be at the top.
I brought your best allegedly.
I know they are to her.
That be their color. Well, you from Mahama bre, Mr. Papa we. What bread is a cramaya, what bottom, Papa no. No one pass cry, he will scream loud. But the dead won't take him. Wo enkola yare kidney yade. Bua na sa yade ni nyina anko wo gina ho e na wo to wo so o gina na ma switch na e. Nem trust de no. Nem trust de no. Papa yempe wo. Nasa si anso so kan so no woto na ede adiba no papa ene wo fanyini bia me hu ana wo gina ba bi kasa kwa na fe makoma ebubu adan president die eye by force
why not small
why ena asoma president die ede bia mo sori ana mo huru ba wo mia me say me UK television and a scientist NASA scientist by might be was what chapa ye busan so was say anti-aging said that be our best smiling
yeah
Emma when you de be an lukusa baby bam but when me the be our sorry I didn't any young so best for public. Oh, can so where we it's ya ayi wafon wani matutom se wata so ho na wo dress bia na wo digina ho na madam bi TikTok wo say ewrade na wo shata wo to ana
yeah so
ma me say na sika friend wo dress wo say no wo shata wo to ana so de na se no enso no se as black trainers bi se sneakers so so di what say no was a jeans and mama me real free but we out to an TikTok sana was
yeah of course
Ghana for a na mako fire ba and penifo no so wo ho no so no bebrayi wo madwene say a wicked tactics and wo mu pre Ghana for Ghana for I will appeal in the humble way to Munina say. Mama dream na ho. Mama dream a dream simu corner sono. Mama na ho. Namo country and this said never again. If you know how to say never again to politicians and can nkobia na ginegina so kama and them say the munnim obi ba no baba ba ya de ni ye dia mama mu wia na mu de mano atwitwi fam and na munnim mpaebo eti nkrofo we to mu de mu na mu nura enu so ano no mu susu num anointing oil because I no mu de nuro ni fam de mamu na be du se yakoto aba na madwene nyina dane Madam Fubia menene wo Mr. Mafu was sorry and what this kasemo hame e wo Ghana na mastania komana na me call Ghana back 2 months dem busan say ata wutu abade ma hwan sama hama na akoto abade ma no osi de bi nyame na onyama hama na mtuma na so wutu aba ma hwan sister and this MPP for and I'm say MPP for there no maye wo mamienu akọ ye kan say free education wo nana no su ko bi ntimi bu say one akoto man Mr. Mafu dwene ho an akoto man no
NDC
Debi
Pacho antwase akoto ma a small boy na Debi chichim
no
hey ana okoto aba na say na sedinti okoto ma
o say no free say nko obeye bibi na me say wo musika omunya wonim kwa mo fa so omunya musika ya monjene na me kache obusam se na abekoda ben na me se kwa mekoda mekode mi nya nka nkyere na konwo na ometo aduane ma wo da bia na da bia so ya no wafa phone no wafre no aye tap de abro why ye kachira mu ba bia monte ena ayi minura me de koye no e ko Ghana no se bia wo kwa wo di no kakra ko se bia prescription painkiller eni ayi na me ko no so na me ko todwa hu ntie ma me koko damo me wo ho anu aba me kwa me nya nuo ni
fandro no man ayasumo
me fa nuo ne man no mbi ni ko todwe eko ene ne nana ne naye na me se me fa ma hu ko seda ho na kokko die duro no ye ka samu kire mu amonte to abai efa na MPP for na MPP for yes mistake dey will be anwo ebi na ya papa ba umi akopa achewa adutwum so wonte ase so ate ase enfunso sabi ewo nipa ho ba enfunso ne bi wo ho na wo ya yentumi fa nche but ebi wo ho a it can be forgive.
Yes, of course.
So na my tumu fusa de me de case ke koma no monkoto aba munye se na munyina mo disappoint ya me sa fa me sika ma woni ene e wo bua nti me samafo
amen
unnuanom na omugu Ghana no
yeah
atire wo mu se me pa wo mu chew abrabo ye mbo ne dako
dabi
na nado susu baaye no o kire mu se adie wona na metumi de musika kakra na me keka so mu no even though krampo no man ni mu aye dene no me keka bom mu no metumi de spiritual class school metumi de BC police dan metumi eye niam bebre me fa bi adwumam man tu ya nye ni nyina ntimu fa ncheme a ba umi aka waka bon so on ka bone eno enam pesa Ghana fo aso to say MPP are not so bad na mo de mo nkodan dream to say MPP to say NDC fo abesamafo e kan to kwansi Ghana
kan to kwasi yen
eno na Ghana fo e de bia Ghana fo mo ndwene na mo say MPP do Ghana MPP love Ghanaian citizens. Mahama by within 8 months. Muhwe nipa sen na wu o papa wensam. Enso so na do ye to aba obi ko fa ballot box a ye shoot bi no. Enso so ye sie dum ketia na ko so sa de we. Hwe omo bona na nipa ba ko po sesai omo bona na do tiri so brasa Mahama by nipa sen na wu. Onu ani krom bali bamboy nipa sen na wu. Mama dwunum na ho ate mama dwunum na ho mun ka kire NDC for say enough is enough and as from now going we have to think twice I see do katia de openuo because matisi so wo Thanksgiving o ko twes ma hemfo no say ya no so be president edi kwa lo bi pete bola so pete o be president Eddie na we mu kwatoma na ono so man to ama na okokuma na ntwie ene obesam nyina mo la ekumu nyina wonu wa memiri dufa o etinu wonye kese no enuo na wadi no egu ni widie mu no 100 years no otewo wan chew na chi wadi odi bewu a wo beye mo se efom na yi no eti Ghana for mo hear the most strong players any fasting to condemn all this master's destruction omo begu o manimo ta John Dalaga Mahama wo de kashe koduwai me mesum to kwam unu Ibrahim Mahama ye de Ghana nsase Ghana nsuo Ghana bosom Ghana ewiem atumfo edi jamo ba me da se baba
me da nso asema me ya me nka ho ya ma me esta na ye te ne nka na busiamfo mun se ma me esta de kasa wi a na se ba bia wu ya wie